This is like we are in capital L territory. You're absolutely right. We are 100% in capital L territory. The stock is as low as it was in 2020, which is not good. Like imagine, yeah, L plus ratio. It's not good. The hood plays Final Fantasy now. So the thing is that it's gone down a lot. And I think that it will continue to go down until these scandals stop happening. Because the truth is that, and I've said this before, I have a very nihilistic, negative view of humans, of people. In my opinion, I don't think that the investors would care if Bobby Kotick was sacrificing people regularly and everybody knew about it, as long as they were making money. The truth is, Bobby can do whatever the fuck he wants to do, but the moment that he touches their money, old Bobby the ashtray salesman is going to be out on his ass.